Hey there guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Don Tech. So like and subscribe today. So we are going to learn how to stop ads on your Android device. So we know ad can basically be very frustrating whenever you are using apps or even websites. So let's learn how to stop this ad on your Android device. So to stop all ads on your Android device, you need to open your settings on your Android device, then scroll down to more connectivity options. So I'm clicking on these more connectivity options, or you can decide to search for it if you don't find it. Then now look at my private DNS. I'll tap on that. So tap on your private DNS. Then you have to take it off from these two options, that's both off and auto. So auto allows ads to show in your device. Then what you should do is to click on private DNS provider host name. So I'm tapping on this. Then this is the custom name you actually need here. So it is all small letters, dns.adguard.com. So you can just copy this, or you find it in the description link. So just copy this, then just paste it there in the private DNS provider hostname, then click on save. And after this, you've actually stopped all ads on your Android device except for apps with built-in ads. So like and subscribe to my channel and tell me if it's worked under the comment section. Thank you.